Hey everyone, Kirk here. Hey, just going to give you a real brief update on what's been going on in the shop. So, had a lot of bikes in and out of here this spring. It's getting to be summertime right now in 2018. You can see my shop. There's nothing on the lift right now. I still got Shark Bike out in the back. That's coming on here next. And you guys will see some updates very soon on Shark Bike. I have not done anything at all on that bike since the last video I put out because it's been spring. A lot of bikes come in, a lot of furniture comes in that I do, here in my shop as well. But one of the changes that you're going to start seeing in my shop over the next videos, I don't know when it's actually going to start, but just keep an eye out for it. You're going to start seeing some changes in my shop. What I want to do is I want to start upgrading what you guys see in the background and make this shop a little more presentable, a little more user-friendly for me, and upgrade some of my equipment. The biggest upgrade that I'm going to be doing is I'm really looking for and want to get a new toolbox. Something that's big, something that's pretty epic back there. And I want to have a work surface back there. Right now, you can see I've got these Craftsman boxes. These are going to go away. And I want to continue it all the way over to the door. I basically got about 80 inches to work with there. I'll probably wind up buying something used. If you guys know of something out there other than Craftsman, not buying a Craftsman. What I'm looking for is a box that's about 72 inches long, maybe a little shorter if it has a lot of drawers. I need to have a lot of drawers. I've got not only that box there, but there's also one that's over here that's off camera that is full of tools as well. I want to be able to combine those boxes and put them all into one. So that's going to be a big change coming up. Another change that is coming, I actually finally have made my own brand, and there's going to be some merchandise that's going to come out. I can kind of pan the camera around here, and you can see it's over on my computer screen right now. I'll try to zoom in a little bit there. Whoop. There you go. It's Kirk's Motorrad shop. So Kirk's Motorrad shop is not going to change anything that I do here. I'm still going to post right here to the channel that you're watching this video on, but it's also just a way to help me be able to raise some money for some of the things that I'm doing here, through the sales of whether it's t-shirts or stickers, also promote what I do. You can keep an eye on my website that I just started today. There's absolutely zero content on there right now other than kind of a park page. It's kirksmotorrad.com, and there'll be updates there. You can also check my Patreon page, which is down in the link is right down in the description below. That's patreon.com/KirkJohnson. I do a lot of updates there. I use that as almost like a blog, and I put a lot of updates on there. I do a lot of little how-to videos there, a lot of tips and tricks, other things. If you guys please go check that out. I really was hoping by now to have at least 100 patrons. I've only got 36 at the moment, and it's been kind of slow with that. If you feel that these videos that I produce are worthwhile and would like to help out, please go to patreon.com/KirkJohnson and help me out, man. That would be really, really good. I really do appreciate all of the emails that I get from you guys. I try to answer them as best as I can. Phone calls, everything. So thanks so much for checking this one out. Just listen to my little update. Hope to see some big changes coming soon. Some really big changes back there. I'm super excited about getting a toolbox. I really want to change my shop here to make it more usable, user-friendly. And anybody that is interested, I have a Powermatic 66 table saw that I will be selling in order to help fund my new toolbox. So, guys, thanks so much for looking and checking out all my videos. Thanks for all your support. See you on the next one.